Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to show you this 2018 190 SPX from Sea Ray. This particular boat we put on the Sea Ray Blue, very nice Sea Ray Blue. And this is also an outboard version, so let's go in the back and let's get inside the boat and take a look. So like I mentioned, this is our outboard version. Sea Ray has their standard engine of 115 horsepower. We did option this one with the 150, so a little bit bigger engine. This boat is very, very quick with the outboard. We still did the sea decking on the back as well. The outboard version does cut in a little bit onto your swim platform, but you still have good space on both sides as well. And then with our 19 SPXs, you do get a beautiful walk through here. You see the sea decking, some storage underneath, but it goes right down into the cockpit. So let's go on inside and take a look. Well, welcome to the cockpit area. Point out a few things here in the cockpit. First of all, we do this very nice bench seating right here. So right now you can sit forward right here, or if you have maybe another person on the boat that day, just pop this off, put it right inside there. Now we got a nice bench seat. We got the nice helm seat here. You've got a bolster that can go down. This gets you nice up and above the window. They have a great built-in insulated cooler. Just throw some ice and your drinks in there. You're good to go. And as I mentioned before, this is an outboard, so when you do the outboard version, obviously the engine's not in here, so you have just multiple places for storage. Deep storage on that side and deep storage right down in here. A lot of space for all your stuff. It's great. So the Sea Ray is equipped with the Rockford Fosgate. We got 4 speakers in this boat standard, and the Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo system. You got all your gauges right in here. A tilt steering. We got a little bit of a place to put some things to keep them dry. It's a lockable storage as well. We also have some nice storage in here. So good use of it. Come up to the bow. You have an 8.4 beam on this boat, so there's a lot of space on the 19-foot boat, which makes it really nice up in here for people. Also wanted to point out the new Infinity flooring. They don't do carpet anymore, so this Infinity flooring dries off a lot quicker, feels good on your feet. So come on down to MarineMax of Rogers, take a look at our inventory, take a look at this boat. Again, my name is Josh.